Welcome to the sanctuary of stillness, a sacred space where golden sunlight flows like a river of warmth and renewal. Close your eyes and allow yourself to drift into the soft embrace of this moment, free of expectation, open to the light within and around you. Whisper an intention to your heart, a gentle wish or a quiet yearning. Let it settle like a seed in the soil, waiting to bloom in the golden glow of this practice. Find a position that cradles your body in comfort, whether lying down or sitting with your spine gently lengthened. Let your arms rest as though they are leaves, softly falling to the earth, palms turned upward to receive the golden light. Take a long, nourishing breath in, as though inhaling the first glow of dawn, and release it slowly, letting the tension melt from your body. Picture yourself lying upon a golden field, the earth beneath you sunlit and warm, tenderly supporting you. Each breath out carries you deeper into the arms of this luminous meadow, where the air is rich with serenity and the whispers of sunlight. Begin to bring your awareness to the top of your head, imagining a golden beam of light descending gently like a soft kiss from the sun. Let this light travel down to your right hand, touching your thumb, your fingers, the palm glowing as though it cradles a tiny sun. Allow the light to flow upward, gliding over your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder, each part bathed in golden warmth. Slowly follow the light as it cascades down your side, chest, waist, hip, and leg, touching your thigh, knee, shin, ankle, and each toe like golden ripples on a still pond. Now shift to your left side, where the light softens, radiant and soothing. Feel it caressing your fingers, traveling through your arm, chest, and side, flowing downward to illuminate every part of you. Sense your entire being aglow with the warmth and brilliance of sunlight, as though your body itself is woven from threads of light. Turn your attention to your breath, a quiet rhythm flowing within you. With each inhale, draw in the golden light, letting it fill every corner of your body like dawn, breaking over the horizon. With each exhale, release all that feels heavy, like clouds dissolving to reveal a clear sky. Feel your breath as an endless cycle, like sunlight rising and setting, steady and eternal, carrying peace and vitality with every flow. Envision yourself reclining in an endless meadow, bathed in golden sunlight. The sky above is boundless, shimmering with soft amber hues. The sun's rays cascade over you, flowing like liquid gold, warming your skin and soothing your spirit. Each breath invites the light deeper into you, filling your heart, your muscles, your very bones with its gentle energy. A breeze dances through the meadow, carrying the perfume of wild flowers and sunlit earth, wrapping you in its tender embrace. Feel the sunlight merging with your being, a radiant glow that begins to shine from within you, as if you are becoming one with the light itself. Notice the sun's warmth, steady and comforting, spreading across your body like a soft embrace. Now feel the cool caress of the breeze as it brushes against your skin, a gentle whisper of contrast. Sense the lightness within you, as though you could float upon the golden air like a feather. Then feel the deep grounding of your body, heavy and secure, rooted in the warmth of the earth. Shift between these sensations, warmth and coolness, lightness and grounding, until they weave together into perfect harmony, a balance as natural as sunlight meeting the horizon. Sink deeper into the glow of the sunlight, letting it wrap you in quiet serenity. Imagine yourself resting within a golden beam, cradled in light as time itself slows to a soft pause. There is no rush, no need, only this moment, filled with radiant peace and the soft hum of the universe surrounding you. Feel yourself dissolve into the sunlight, as though every particle of your being is part of the infinite warmth. Begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, steady and familiar, like the tides of light flowing back to shore. Invite small movements into your body, a wiggle of the fingers, a stretch of the toes, as though awakening from a dream of golden light. Stretch your arms overhead, opening your body to the day's energy like a flower unfurling to greet the sun. When you're ready, roll gently to one side, resting in this space of peace before slowly rising to sit. Take a moment to reflect on the radiance you've cultivated, a golden thread of warmth and peace that weaves through you. Whisper a quiet word of gratitude for the light, the earth, your breath, and this precious time of connection. Carry the glow of this golden sunlight within you as you step into the day, radiant and whole, a reflection of the light itself.